Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can redirect the customer from one flow to the another flow. So let's get started. So let's say I have this flow and I want the customer, if a customer click on a car option, he should be redirected to different flow, and if a customer click on a bike, the customer should be redirected to a different flow. So for that we have a redirect component that you can use. So if you apply this redirect component here, on the right hand side you get an option to select the flow on which flow you want to redirect the customer to. For this you have to make the flow first, and then you can add the component in the default flow. And now once you set up this, you will simply add these redirect component into your options. Let's say for car I have this redirect, and for bike I have this redirect. So whenever a customer will click on this option, he will be redirected to this flow, and if a customer click on bike, he will be redirected to this component. This way it will be easier for us to manage the flow. If let's say I have a flow for a car, and for car I have a specific requirements that I can manage on the car flow, and for the bike I can do the same. And default flow will be very neat and clean, easy to manage, and someone can easily access it. And in case if we want to change anything, or if we want to add anything in the flows, so we have to edit a particular chat flow. In this way we don't have to edit the same flow again and again, so it becomes very easier to redirect the customer to different flow, and then they can use and ask, the chatbot can ask the question as per our configurations. So this is how you can redirect the customers to another flow. If you have any queries regarding the same, please let us know. We will surely help you with the same. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin. Bye.